Wake me up inside, cast me out against the storm of a broken sun, killing me softly, dragging me down. You have won. Praising foundation, a drunken priest preaching words of communion wine. I can hear you talking in your sleep, saying things that condemn my soul. Never seem to catch my breath when I'm next to you. Bring me the horizon, I don't care for the gold of the earth. Gently fill the air with your scent from a maple heart. Dancing in the rain, I don't wanna go away from you. Our love is not in vain, could you stay for an hour or two? Maybe even longer, you're the cure to the cancer within. Maybe even longer, you're the cure to the cancer within. Love is blooming in the sunrise. The essence of time rests within your very little hand. It is so divine, I'm blessed to call your bed my home. Never felt a love as I ever had with you before. As we fade away in the limelight, but life is gonna be okay. And knowing that I have your love is a beautiful thing. No amount of words can never really say how I feel. And day by day I gaze upon her, a glance or two I hope to steal. Addicted to her madness, so careless in the war of my mind. Dancing in the rain, I don't wanna go away from you. Our love is not in vain, could you stay for an hour or two? Maybe even longer, you're the cure to the cancer within. Maybe even longer, you're the cure to the cancer within.